So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's day 5 and then in this video we'll be covering how to create an subnet in Azure, and then we will get to know what subnet is as well. So first of all I will open Paint. So we'll be creating a box, the one as well. So let's keep this is our subscription, and this will be our VNet. I hope everyone knows what VNet is. If not, in the previous video, I have covered how to create a VNet and what VNet is in Azure. So, and inside of VNet, I have created this subnet. This is subnet 1, and then this is subnet 2. So, think it like this is our whole organization, our whole company itself, and this is the flows in the company. Or it's like let's keep it as it's the whole warehouse. The VNet is the whole warehouse. And subnet is like a block in which we will be storing our clothes in a separate block, our other warehouse tools in a separate block. So in this way, we can add NSG rules to the subnet so that the internet connectivity will be easily secured. And if we need to create an gateway or else VNet, sorry, a gateway or else a VPN for those and all, we need to create a separate subnet, and then each subnet will have an separate IP range for it so that we can easily differentiate it, and then also this is more organized. If there is no subnet, all the VMs and or else all the resources will be here and there. If we have a subnet, we can create an VM1 in the subnet one. We can create multiple VMs in subnet one, like dev1, and multiple VMs in the subnet two. So this is what subnet is, and we will get to know how to create a subnet in Azure now. So we have started the lab now. So we will start with the question. So the DevOps team is planning to migrate their infrastructure to the cloud, and for that they are planning to move. Okay, by default they have already created a VNet with this name, and then we need to create a subnet within that VNet, and the region should be East US, and they have provided us the range as well. It's /16, so we can create now. So start. Okay, I guess we have not created any VNet. We need to create the VNet by ourselves and then subnet as well. So we'll create a VNet quickly. This is our VNet name. Just give my VNet name, and then and each use let it be, and nothing else. Let everything be in default itself, and then I'll just click on review and create. So it's created now. I'll go to the resources, and then we have the settings. I will give in the left side. We can see subnet. We can click on subnet, and then we can create one. So then subnet name should be exclusion subnet. I'll copy it, leave the name as execution subnet. We can see the purpose of VNet as well. As I said, we can create a separate subnet for a Bayesian firewall, this gateway, route servers, everything. So as of now, I'm just creating it for the default one, and the range should be /16. It's by default itself, it's /16. So I click on add. So it's created now. So I'll click on check. So it's successful. So in this video, we have covered what subnet is, and then as well as how to create a subnet as well. So if you find this useful, please do subscribe, and then thank you for watching.